Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my one cuts, my nail plump, and my drill with my safety barrel drill bit. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my Crystal Spray Decanter Sanitize, available in True Love, Peach, Gardenia, and Fragrance Free. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Now I'm going to drill off the gel polish with my barrel safety drill bit, holding the finger securely. Go up and down, applying pressure. Make sure you go all the way over to the side. Again, going up and down. Now I'm going to hand file the gel polish on the nail bed. I don't like to drill on top of the nail bed as this causes heat and friction, which can damage and weaken the natural nail. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long-lasting zebra file and my disposable clean finish buffer, and this buffer is made out of material. It's not made out of paper. So when you buff with it, it doesn't leave any grit on the nail. You can use it dry, you can use it with oil, and you can use it with water. And they're so easy to put on the little plastic board. Just peel off the back. Hold your board. Stick it on. Hold your board. Stick it on. And you're ready to go. Now I'm going to score the edge of my file with my buffer. So when I file around the cuticle area, the file's nice and smooth and it doesn't cut the cuticle. Now I'm going to file off the rest of my gel polish with my 180 grit zebra file, holding the finger securely. Nice long strokes. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, and it comes off pretty easy. Go around the cuticle area. And while you're filing off your gel polish, you can smooth down the product around the cuticle area. Now I'm going to dust off the nail. Make sure I got off all the gel polish. Now I'm going to shorten the nail with my one cuts. Now I'm going to reshape my nail using my 5 steps in filing, and my first step is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Holding the finger securely, file straight out from the nail groove, and I will be slanting in my file a little bit, bringing back that almond stiletto. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. I'm going to file straight out from the nail groove, but I'm also going to be applying more pressure out towards this tip. Start bringing back that almond stiletto shape. My third step in filing is shaping the tip of my free edge, and this is going to be an almond stiletto, so I will be holding my file flat, holding the finger and the nail securely, filing straight across. This starts evening it all up, making it really easy to get my almond stiletto shape. Now that I have the basic shape and my nails nice and smooth and even, I'm going to start making my almond stiletto. I hold my file straight up and down, and I start filing in towards the tip, bringing it back to a point. And I do that on both sides. My fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, getting the product flush with the natural nail. Nice long strokes. My fifth step in filing, I turn the nail around and look at the nail from the client's angle. And I bevel down towards the tip. This angle I can see everything on the nail. Get it nice and smooth. Get the shape exactly how you like it. Bevel down towards the tip. Now I'm going to dust off the nail using my plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to remove any shine that's on the natural nail and push back the cuticle using my 180 grit zebra. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail, as this can cause lifting. And you don't want any shiny spots. This also will cause lifting. Now I'm going to dust off the nail using my plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of nail plump. Wipe away from me, then towards me halfway down the brush. Place the brush about 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle, and then push towards the cuticle without touching the cuticle. Then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Go from side to side. Make sure the sides are covered completely. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Wipe away from me, halfway down the brush towards me. Place 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Lightly push towards the cuticle without touching the cuticle. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off the tacky surface with Clean It. Even though the nail is so smooth already, it doesn't really need a lot of filing. I'm going to go back and do my 5 steps just to perfect it. This is my first step in filing, straight out from the nail groove on the left. Coming in towards the tip. Keep that almond stiletto. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right, and then tapering it towards the tip to keep that almond stiletto. Step number 3, shape the tip of the free edge. Hold the finger securely. Hold the file flat. Since this is an almond stiletto, get it nice and even from the underneath. Then I'm going to hold my file straight up and down and just bring that in just a little bit more tapered. There we go. Do that on each side so both sides are even. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And the nail plump does not need a lot of filing. It's very easy to file, so I'm just lightly filing the top. I'm going to go around the cuticle. I have a little road where I have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and you want it to look beautiful from their angle. Again, it doesn't need a lot of filing, just a little perfecting. Now I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffer. Nice long strokes, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, out towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Base, a fast soak gel. Wipe away from you and towards you. Place about 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle and just push towards the cuticle without touching. And then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 40 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Butter Popcorn Gel Against Gel Polish from my Pop Art collection. Wipe away from you, slightly towards you. Place 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle and push up towards the cuticle but not touching. And then nice long strokes. Go from the side, cover the whole side. Nice long strokes, cover the other side. Love this color, so pretty. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of butter popcorn. Again, wipe it away, and just a little bit towards you. Place 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle and slightly push up towards the cuticle. And then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Make sure you cover the sides. Go all the way to the other side. Again, nice long strokes. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Glass Slipper, my super high gloss, no wipe, non-yellowing top gel. Wipe away from me and slightly towards me. Place 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle and push up towards the cuticle without touching, and then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Make sure you cover the sides. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil, available in True Love, Peach, and Gardenia. And this is so good for the natural nails and for the cuticles. It helps the nails grow out healthy and helps eliminate hangnails. Now we have the Almond Stiletto fill-in with nail plump and butter popcorn. Love this color. It's so pretty with that shape. And it's so easy to clean up. Just peel off your file strip. Comes off really easy. Disinfect your boards. Fold up your disposable towel. And throw everything away.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.